Hi creators! In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can utilize the email editor to customize and design your emails. Let's begin. We're going to head over here to the left side of the menu and we're going to select customers. From there, you can scroll down from outreach. Now, as I've shared in a previous video, our CRM tool includes workflows and broadcasts. So let's go ahead and jump in and see how we can start editing and designing these emails. So for our workflows, we're going to select Create Workflow. Now the workflow just allows you to set up several emails to trigger to send out to your customers based on the actions that they're taking. So we do have templates set up for you because of course we're all about making your life easier. However, if you'd like to start from scratch, you can select Create My Own. But in this case, I'm going to select the welcome template. And from here, you can select which recipients this template will go to, and you can always include previous customers if needed. I'm going to select Create Flow, and it will take you directly to the email editor where you will get to edit and add any features to the email editor. Now, up here, you will always see that your profile image will automatically be added, whether that's your business logo or just an image of you, that will automatically populate for you. However, you can update it if you need it by just selecting that pencil icon, and it will give you an option to change the image. You can also edit your text as you were able to do previously, and then you can edit any of these layout blocks that we already have here for you. You can edit it by selecting the pencil to add an image or update the text. Now, if you see the layout may be missing a little something extra that you'd like to add, you can select any of these plus options to add in additional blocks to your email. You can add text, images, call out buttons, headers, dividers, and even choose from additional layouts that we have here for you, which may include a circle image versus a square or adding double images. And you can even further edit those buttons and layouts if you need to. So you would go on and do that for all of the emails that you decide to add to your workflow all in one spot. And once you're done building up email, you can check the mobile view to see how your customers who may be viewing these emails on mobile will see it. And then you can even send yourself a test email to see how your email would look on your end. But once you're done, just make sure you save it as a draft or go ahead and publish it when you're ready. And that concludes how our workflow email editor looks. Let's check out broadcasts. So we're going to go ahead and select the broadcast tab, and then we're going to come over here to create broadcast so that we can begin designing that email. Just like we do in our workflows, we do have templates here. However, if you'd like to start from scratch, you can select custom email. However, in this case, I'm going to go ahead and do promotion. Once I do that, I'm going to select next, and it'll take me right into the email. Now, the difference from the broadcasts and the workflows is that the broadcast would just be one email that you would blast out to whichever recipients you decide to choose on this side. Now from here, the editing features are similar. So you can go in and edit images, you can edit the blocks, add blocks as needed, and continue designing those emails to match your brand. And once you're done with that, go ahead and double check that mobile view and also send yourself a test email so you can see how that email looks. However, if you're ready to go ahead and send it out, you can select send or save as draft and do that later on. And that's it. You're ready to design and customize your emails for your store. I hope that this is helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching.